All right, Dr. Ryan Welter here. I'm so excited today to have Mendices and Yandy in the house for some facial treatments today.
I have to say, just for the record, he said that my skin looks amazing.
It does. She's got amazing.
So shout out to Yell Skincare.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do some microneedling, some collagen,
exactly.
some PRP treatment. So I'm excited.
Microneedling with radio frequency. All that heat is going to induce collagen elastin. So this is a PRP. Now we have all these micro pores in the skin. The platelets in PRP have alpha granules that are full of growth factors, help with the rejuvenation. This is our regenerative peptide serum. So what's really kind of coming to light is how important peptides are for skin rejuvenation long term.